Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are doing project number 3 in our special delivery January 2026 paper pumpkin kit. So I've got my card base here and I'm just having a look. Okay, so card base is here. I'm just going to give it a little extra squish with my block so it lays nice and flat. There we go. I've got all of my stamps ready just for you, the postage and then the little heart. So I'm going to take my ink spot and I am going to ink up my just for you, and I have put Versamark on it to start with. So we're taking the just for you and we're stamping it on our banner down here. So we're going to pop this down like that. Okay, so that's done. Then I need to take this one and we're going to pop it onto this piece here. So we're just going to pop that down. There we go. And then the little hearts go over this one, so it's split between the two. So we'll ink that up and we'll pop it down like that. There we go. Okay, so the stamping is done. Now this one we need to do, they showed that this is almost like on a smaller piece, but I don't have the smaller piece and there isn't actually one. Like if you look at the card itself, these are all down on the card, and I think they're just doing that to give you an idea of how everything should go. So we're just going to flip these over and I'm going to keep them the same as what's on here. So everything's going to be upside down in a mirror image. So we're just going to do this like this, and then this goes over here, and then these two go like this, and the just for you gets dimensionals as well, but those go on when we put the flower on. So dimensionals, I need 2 dimensionals on most of these. So even the square ones, we're just going to put 2 dimensionals, and then we're putting 3 on the longer ones. Okay. And then again, 2 on each of these ones. Okay, this one is going to be me taking the backs off everything forever. Okay, so now let's flip these over so that we know what we're doing. They go like this. This goes over here like this. Then this one goes like this. And these two go like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop them down without taking the backing off for now, just so I know where to line them up. So they're going to go like this. This one's going to go here. This one's going to go here. This one here, and this one here. And I am going to put this down now. This gets dimensionals, so I'm going to pop one at this end and one at this end, which is what they tell us to do. And I'm going to put this on, just so that I've got that level of visual at the bottom there. So then let's do this one. This one is going to go down like this. Okay, and then this one is going to go in line with that, making sure I'm straight to the edge. Okay, and then these two are going to go, this one goes like this, and then this one goes like this. Okay, and then we're going to pop this one down. This one's really pretty, like really effective. There's just a lot of pieces to it. And then this one's going to go here like this. It needs to come in just a little bit. I probably put those ones too close together. So let's go ahead and put this one down. And it's going to go like that. And then this one will go like that. Okay, now we've got our forget-me-nots. That's what I'm calling them. If there's something else, please call it out in the comments and let me know. But to me, it looks like forget-me-nots. So we put a dimensional there. Looks like a dimensional on each of the flowers. And that's it, just the 4 dimensionals on there. Okay, so we're going to peel this off. And this is really delicate. This is really a nice piece. Then this is going to come up over like this, just like that. Okay, so that is our 3rd project from the special delivery January 2026 paper pumpkin kit. So stay tuned for that first alternate card today and then one every day this week.